Welcome. Today, we're gonna have a look at how to highlight every other row in Excel, quick and easy, no matter the size of the data table. Ready to start? To highlight every other row in an Excel table, we need to select the applicable area first. Then in the Home tab, we select Conditional Formatting and click on the option New Rule. A window appears where we need to click on Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now, to highlight all the odd rows, rows 3, 5, 7, and so on, start typing the equal sign and then the formula isod. We want to highlight rows, so we carry on with an opening bracket, type in row, then we insert empty brackets and the closing bracket right after that. This is the whole formula to highlight every odd row. We included this formula in the video description below, so you'll have it at hand anytime you need. Now we need to specify how we want to highlight the rows. So, click on Format, and you'll see all the possible formatting options for these rows. We just want to highlight rows, so we'll go to the tab Fill and choose, for example, this light blue. Of course, you can go for any color you want, you're not limited in your choice. As soon as everything's been set, we can click on OK twice and see the result. Every other row in the table has been highlighted according to the used settings. Highlighting rows through conditional formatting is great in a way that if you use the filter to reorganize the data in the table, every other row still remains highlighted. The highlighting does not move with the data, and the table stays visually neat and clear. But what if we need to highlight every even row? That's actually a cinch to do now. Here's how. Click anywhere into the data table, go to Conditional Formatting, and select Manage Rules. You can see the rule we're using right now, the rule to highlight every odd row. So now, when we want to highlight the even rows, which are rows 4, 6, 8, and so on, we click on the rule and then click on the button Edit Rule. Then we simply overwrite ODD with even in the formula. The rest of the formula remains as is. Again, click on OK and then OK one more time, and that's all it takes. Each even row in the table has now been highlighted. There's one more thing worth mentioning before we wrap it up for today. To remove the formatting from the table, click on Conditional Formatting, then go to Clear Rules and select Clear Rules from Entire Sheet, which will remove the highlighting in no time at all.